Okay, this is for everybody to understand that I just sold the 48 contracts at $2.80. That means I am the only volume here. They were 65 by 280. And I had worked this trade over and over and over again. Now, I'm going to buy that same amount. I'm going to go right up here. Here we go. I got enough time. I'll get my Yankee Doodle dandy. Hey, Yankee Doodle, I just sold those. Look at the bid and ask. How do you like me now? And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go buy back 45 contracts. Watch. I'm going to hit buy now. I worked the tape. I worked the bid and the ask, and we have all of the trades on stockmarketfunding.com, and I got somebody to buy my contracts right here and right now. And I'm going to keep the watch. I got him to do it. Yes, I did get him to do it. And once again, this particular position goes way out. And I'm very happy that I did such a wonderful thing. As you can see, I walked that up there. I sold at 280. I'm going to go back at 150 right now. Now watch. And this is on ICPT. This is on ICP. What? ICPT. What am I going to bid at? I'm going to go $1.50. I'm going to go $1.50. I'm 45. Here I go. I'm going to make them follow me. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Bada bing. Right there. I walked that up there. Now remember, we owned those at $1.50, and we sold them at $2.80, and I will do a follow-up with this again. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to work this bid, and I'm going to work it. This is that bellwether ICPT, big biotech. See, they're all standing up there, and we know that. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to do the following, right? Here we go right now, ICPT. This is a July $200 put. They're 880 by 1250. Now watch what I'm going to do. I am going to try to buy a couple of these right up here, here and now. Now watch. I'm going to work that bid, and I'm going to work that ask, and I'm going to go out here at $10. You're going to see me do it now. I'm going to work that wide bid and ask. Yes, I am. I'm going to work that wide bid and ask. I'm there at $10. Now, that's that particular contract. That is a $200 put for July. We're going to leave that one there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here to the $180 put for this contract. And that is a July contract. And you can see how there's no volume. So I'm going to work this bid and this ask, just like I did on the ones I just sold. And once again, there doesn't have to be any volume for me to make money. So what I'm going to do right here is go 5.5, and I'm going to put 10 there, and that's a 19, and I'm going to hit buy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to contract that bid and ask right here. And here I go. Watch. Watch. There it goes. There we go. $5.50. So here, let me cancel it. Order confirmed. And let's try it again. All right. What does it say? You are about to be canceling the order. That's right. Because I took them up there. Now, what we're going to do, and we're going to do this the right way, is for each contract, we're going to hit cancel. Now, what we are willing to do is go back over here and go to 550 on 20. And we're willing to do that. So here we go. I'm going to hit buy. Now, remember how wide the bid and ask is. It is huge. Now, I've contracted it. And that's on that one right here. You can see it. Not only that, you can see I'm working the 2015 one over here. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to come off of this one right here. And I'm going to continue to work the bid and the ask there. And I'm going to go like that. All right. Now we can see I made that 550 by 8. Now here's what we're going to do. we are also going to do the following on this particular entry on how to buy and steal that premium. We're going to go right back over here and we're going to go to the 180 and I'm going to put that right back in here. This is the one that I just had sold, and this is a June 180 put. And you can see how wide that bid and ask is. Now watch. I'm going to go 30 contracts. And I'm going to buy those on ICPT 180 put. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to go $2.50. Okay? And you can see it's $1.30 by 520. Now watch. I'm going to hit buy. And I did. And I'm going to confirm it right here. I'm going to steal that bid. Bing! Right there. I walked them all the way up there. I'm going to keep those there. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to work 10 contracts up here at $3.50 now. Watch. Watch. And I'm going to make them come up in price. I'm making this side come up. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to get this side to throw to me. Watch. Here we go. We're going to put those out there. We're going to hit yes. And not only that, we're going to hit okay. $3.50. Now I really walked them up in here. Okay? And I just used a few contracts to do that with. And everybody can see what I'm doing. Now watch. Now watch. I'm going to go up here to $3.90 and I'm going to hit buy again. And I'm going to work that side of the bid and ask. Here I go. Here it is. Watch. $3.90. Kabing. Now I'm going to cancel all of them and make those people wish that they weren't there. So I'm going to cancel all. And I made them see they're right back there at $2.50. Now, we're going to give it another go. We are going to give this another go. Right now, we're going to keep working it until we can get it. And remember, I have sold those other bigger contracts. So let's go to another strike price, and let's go to July. Now, with the July contract, we're going to see right here, we already know that this is 5.5 by 8, and there's zero volume too. So we're going to go back to June, and we're going to say, well, look at here. These are 40 cents by 290. But we're not going to trade that one. We're going to go back to the 180 and the 175. Look at the bid and the ask. I made that price. I made them go way up in that price. And I had already sold this one. There was 58 contracts traded, and you all seen where I sold them at. So basically what we're going to do now is we're going to go on this contract. We're going to go, we already owned it, but here's what we're going to do. We're going to go 2.5 or 2.2, and we're going to buy 30 of them there. Okay? And we're going to hit buy. Now watch. We're going to work that bid. We're going to work that ask right here. Now watch. Look at, we can all see the price right there, 220. Now watch. I'm working it. I made this go higher. And these people over here, I sold 48 of them already. That was earlier in the video here. But now I'm working various strike prices all again. Now, here, I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to cancel this. Now watch what I'm going to do. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to come right back over here to the July one. And what am I going to do? I made this side of the market go there. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take one contract and I am going to go up to $6. Now watch. Now watch. I'm going to go $6.40. And I'm going to hit what? Now watch. I'm going to make that side. I'm going to hit yes. And what am I going to do? We know what I'm going to do. I control the market. I'm making that price go higher. Watch. 640. There. See how I made that whole market come up? Now, I did that. Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to cancel it and leave these people stuck. I'm controlling the market. Yes, I am. You're watching me control the prices. You're watching me control the emotion. I am a market maker. And see, I made everyone stay there at that price level, and I am going to continue to work this price. And not only that, I want you to know that we have bought some pretty big positions on the S&P 500, just to throw that in there. And at 500 contracts at $20. How do you like me now? How do you like me now? All right, we made this side of the market go up, and we did extremely well. We will begin to work that bid and ask on ICPT tomorrow.